Wisesorb is US-based global manufacturer and retailer of premium high-quality desiccant packaging material with over 20+ years of experience in the sorbent control solutions. The electronic desiccant dehumidifier uses silica gel to absorb moisture. When the silica gel is fully saturated, simply plug in and charge the dehumidifier for 12 hours. After charging, the dehumidifier can be used again to control moisture up to 90%. Each dehumidifier had a transparent viewing window on both sides as well as a humidity indicator card allowing the user to observe how saturated the silica gel is, as it changes from orange to green, absorbing moisture. While charging, check the light on the base of the dehumidifier, which will indicate when the dehumidifier and the silica gel are ready to be used again. The dehumidifier is non-toxic and spill-proof. The charging box cover of the electronic dehumidifier is comprised of a black transparent ABS injection mold and is affixed to the base by a buckle. This prevents customers from being burnt during the recharging process. The conductor reset switch of the charging base is not subject to any external forces. It is inside the dehumidifier case, thus preventing electric shock from occurring outside its outer case.